Still don't know what I was waiting for. And my time was running wild, a million dead-end streets, and so I wait, how's that go? Still the days seem so sweet, and I turned myself to face me, but I never caught a glimpse of how the others must see the faker. I'm much too vast to take that test. What in the world is he talking about? I don't know. He's talking about changes. Turn and face Jessica Waboos. Changes. Jessie's here, sweetie. Hey, Jessica. What's going on? Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. And Zagame, finally. Oh, I'm sorry, Zagame. Didn't we start on time for you? Oh, I didn't realize you were trying to colonize me. You know, telling me that there's no such thing as Indian time. Yeah, guess what? Guess what, Zagame? You can steal my land, but you'll never steal my heart. What are you doing? Picking a fight with Zagame. But Zagame's our friend. Hi, Zagame. Don't be nice to Zagame. This is the only way she'll learn. Yeah, okay. How you doing? Hey, should we give gold star out to Jessica? Oh yeah, Jessica gets a gold star because she's awesome. She's our favorite. We can give Zagame a silver star, I guess. Oh, here's your participation trophy, Zagame. You happy? You proud? You gonna join a pride parade? Oh, look at me. Second place is just as good. No, it's not. Leave her alone. I know. Right, Zagame? We've been waiting. Don't you start either, Jessica. Quit trying to colonize us. Making us start with a white man's clock. Oh, it's Monday morning, 8 o'clock. I guess you better start your show. That's when the workday starts, huh? Well, not for me, ladies. I'm a traditional Anishinaabe. Huh, sweetie? You tell him. I don't know. Zagame says, I meant me. I finally got here. Oh, I'm sorry. Welcome. I'm so happy to see you. Who did you finally get, Zagame? Me? You trying to beat me to the front of the line? I don't think so. That's right. And Daniel Black's here. Daniel says, settle down in front. How's it going, Daniel? Daniel's here, sweetie. Hey, Daniel. What's going on, my Niji? All right, let's get the show started, huh? Should we put on a little opening music? There it is. I love our opening music. I know, it's pretty cool, huh? What is that? You and who's the other guitar player on that? It's Clint Carlson. Clint Carlson, the second guitarist on the opening riff. Otherwise, this is a original song, you guys. What'd you guys call this? I think this was called Fourth Fret. Yeah. Anyway, Boozhoo! Welcome to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo, and this is Natasha. Boozhoo! And this is Michael Lyons. Hello! And welcome back to the show. Daniel Black says, fashionably late by a couple of days. Yeah, talk about being on Indian time. Where have you been, young man? Oh, I'm on a walkabout. Yeah, that's called being homeless. Oh, I was out looking for myself. Uh-huh. You were out looking for a bridge to sleep under, you bum. Got a job. Leave him alone. I don't know. It's called tough love, sweetie. I gotta toughen up the Boozhoo crew. This is not the time. Winter is coming. It sure is. Which brings us to our word of the day. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Ishwa Anima Egg. Isha good. It is the day after prayer day. You know, the day of rest. The 2 days of rest, actually, are over now. The football game is all done. The Vikings either won or lost. I didn't pay any attention because who cares? And What else? And now it's Monday. And now it's the day after prayer day, Monday. Ishwa. Hey, good. But more importantly than that, you know what else today is, sweetie? What's that? It's the Gushkadino Gizas. It's the first day of November. All right. Happy Gushkadino Gizas, everybody. It is the freezing over moon. You know? And this is why I'm having to be so hard on the audience. Oh yeah, when are we going to start the shows like this? Good morning, racists. Don't start the show that way. But the winter's coming. And it's been said that sometimes our ancestors, the traditional Indian way of parenting was not to be too, like you babied your babies. You carried them around all the time. Babies were babied. But when the boys and the girls get to a certain age, you stop babying them. This would be like the second phase of life or something. Because hard times are coming. And I'm not doing you any favors by, lying to you. Sweet little lies. Like the Fleetwood Mac song. Tell me lies, so tell me sweet little lies. Nah. Yeah. I'm not going to lie to you. It is the freezing over moon. Gush Gadino Gizas. That's what we call this time of year. It's going to get cold out there, you guys. And it's also a time to say goodbye. What do we got now? 2 months left of the year. It is time to let it go. Oh man, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I lost my job just because I wouldn't take a vaccination. Well, that happened last year. Oh no, I can't believe it. They turned my kid gay in kindergarten. Well, let it go. It is the freezing over moon. We have to think to the future. We got a plan. And so that's why I would like to share this cartoon by Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. This is an Ojiberish cartoon about the freezing over moon. If you bought a calendar in, 2006, was the last time we did it, this would have been the November picture. And here we see got a little mukwa there. A little muckaday mukwa. A little black bear, and he's saying, Gigawabamin. Does anybody know what Gigawabamin? Who can tell me what Gigawabamin means? Class? Nobody's writing anything. But Shelly Ham's here. Hey, Shelly. How's it going, Shelly? Well, I guess you guys haven't been paying attention. Gigawabamin means I will see you. And Gigawabamin Menawa. Oh, Mamengwa, he's saying. Let me make this big. Gigawabamin Memengwa. A lot of people might, if you weren't paying attention like me, you might have thought this bear was saying Gigawabamin Menawa. But no, look, he's talking to a butterfly, sweetie. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, the butterfly gets kind of camouflaged with all the leaves. Bear saying Gigawabamin. And then the Memengwa. Oh, well, no, Memengwa is saying Gigawabamin, huh? Michael, is that what you meant? Yeah, the butterfly is saying, I'll see you. And then the bear is responding, I'll see you, butterfly. Gigawabamin Memengwa. And there's also a... do you kids remember the word for deer? Nobody? Dummies. Don't be mean to the crew. What is it now? What is deer? It's 5 deer are not in Wawashigeshiwag. Wawashigeshiwag. Deer. Although this is just one deer, so it's a Beijing Wawashigeshi. Wawashigeshi and a Makwa. And this has been your gibberish cartoon of the day. Right? Yeah. Freezing over. Is it cold this morning? I haven't even been outside yet. Me either. Oh, the fire's really cozy though, huh, sweetie? Yeah. I guess I don't really mind if it's cold outside. Though the weather outside is frightful, the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I saw some snow yesterday. I know. Just a couple of flakes. Are you ready for it to be snow again? I love the snow. I don't care. Yeah, me too. I don't care. If it's going to be cold, I might as well have snow. La la. Daniel says, steady on, suck. Oh, you say that to my face, young man. I was working hard. Yeah, I bet you were. Working hard on a buzz. Working on keeping that buzz going, maybe. Yeah. Are you going to fight with Daniel now? I might have to. Come on, man. Oh, he's a real keyboard warrior. He's a keyboard will get you da. Yeah, you're real tough when you're typing. Your little pinkies up in the air like that. Let's see how you do it, a real man. Let's have a war of words through smoke signals. In the traditional ways, when people would have fights on social media, they'd have to build a fire, and then there'd be like smoke signals. That's all we had in the old days. We didn't have. Some of the kids today won't realize this, but your grandfather and grandmother, they didn't even have Facebook and Twitter and that. They'd have to write each other with smoke signals. You'd make a fire, you have a blanket, and you go 1, 2. It's kind of like Morse code with smoke signals. Really? No. There was a number of years where actually we used to write letters to each other. Remember that, sweetie? When we got together and I write you those love letters? Yeah, huh? And I write you poems and songs and stuff. That's how you get a woman, guys. Oh, man. I'm going to have to make a dating app. I sure wish I had a girlfriend. I guess I better make an app on Plenty of Fish. You guys are losers. Number 1, learn the guitar. Number 2, learn the piano. Number 3, learn poetry. Put them all together. Put, Natasha's name or whatever, the girl you like, call a song that. And sing it to her, and then boom. There you go. You get a cute girlfriend. It's not that hard. It's not rocket scientists, you guys. Don't yell at the crew. Well, I get so mad. Just because I found the perfect woman, why can't they? Well, I'm already taken, silly. No. You guys, you come here, you're looking for dating advice. Oh, every day I get messages. How can I get a hot girl like Natasha? It's like, number 1, you can't. She's mine. Sweetie. I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, grassroots Indian series, sweetie. Grassroots? No way. Boozhoo, grassroots. How are you? Did you come here to get dating advice from your old Uncle Nanaboozhoo and Auntie Natasha? Yeah, that's what we should do. We should turn this show into a relationship show. Because the Bachelorette's going out of business. I heard that. They go woke and go broke. Yep. Bachelorette, if you guys don't know, is a TV show, apparently, on one of the networks. I don't know which one. If it's Netflix or what. I've never actually seen the show. But I saw a little clip because they said, hey, man, this season, they're having an indigenous woman. Is the Bachelorette on the Bachelorette show. And then they go, and she's bisexual. She loves to buy her sexuality. Does she like prostitutes? No, she likes them both. But so I looked at it and I was like, well, she's indigenous to Australia. I was hoping there'd be like some Ojibwe lady up there, already got a couple of kids of her own. tattooed teardrop on her cheek. Trying to get a man. Next week on The Bachelorette, there's a lady from Panema getting a man. But no, it was an Australian bisexual lady. And I guess it was just like the worst opening day of The Bachelorette. Nobody would care. We're not going to watch some Indian lady or whatever they call Australian Indigenous people. We're going to watch the Aborigines, the Aboriginals, hook up with some other chick. What is this? So you come here to learn about relationships. Because, sweetie, in a lot of ways, I think we're like the last healthy, traditional relationship advice show out there. We've never given advice on relationships. I know, I'm just going to start it today. Oh, okay. Just because we have a healthy relationship and, I can steer a young man on how to behave to trick a girl into liking you. Yeah. And you can tell the ladies how to, for crying out loud, you don't have to act like a common garden tool. No one's going to buy the cow if you give away the milk for free. That's all I'm saying, ladies. But you could tell them whatever you wanted to say. Yeah, I might be a little more delicate than that. Yeah. So, freezing over moon. Gosh, kid didn't Jesus. Oh, we got another angry comment. How about what? Telling us to shut up with all the... I did a show where I was giving advice to ladies, and I said, quit going to college and getting a job first. Your eggs are drying up. The clock is ticking. You got to have them babies. Don't let Sex in the City tell you can wait until your 40s to start a family. Nobody wants to start a family with some old alcoholic, lady who's been run through. You belong to the streets now. So I was giving some tough love like that. And the lady was like, I thought this was a show about Ojibwe language. Shut up about the, what'd she say? Quit talking about women, the clock ticking and that stuff, and spend more time teaching Ojibwe. And then she also said, I like this. She goes, you should spend some more time telling the kids that they should stay masked and get their vaccinations. And so you know what I told her? What? I said, well, putting a mask on your kid is just straight up child abuse. But I actually told her, I'm sorry. I'll try to teach more Ojibwe. I thought she made a good point. About the dating? Yeah. But I know I was just kind of trolling her. She's like, oh, I'm a concerned parent. Don't forget to put a mask on your kindergartner. And I basically called her a child abuser. Yeah, whatever. Why don't you put a ball gag in his mouth while you're at it? It is transgender story hour day. Don't get me started, sweetie. I'm just sitting here. So what else we got going on here today? Well, you could take a call. Should I take a call? What's the other word? Oh, yeah, it's from yesterday. Miyagi, strange. Mr. Miyagi. From the Karate Kid. Mr. Miyagi. This is a story. Miyagi Nagozi. Mr. Miyagi. The strange-looking Mr. Strange. Back in the days of the 1980s, there was a movie called The Karate Kid. And then eventually, The Karate Kid 2. And Karate Kid 3 with a girl. What's her name? Who married Alec Baldwin for a while. And then Alec, what's his name? Not Alec Baldwin. I got Alec Baldwin on the mind. Jaden Smith. They got a black Karate Kid. So, Mr. Miyagi, he was karate coach for a very diverse group. But to me, the Karate Kid was always Daniel's son. Daniel LaRusso? Yeah, Daniel LaRusso. Ralph Macchio, man. Didn't you kind of look like Ralph Macchio in high school? Yeah, that's what everybody told me. Ralph Macchio. It's a story of a young, I don't know, what is it, Italian? Yep. Has to move out to California. To like Laguna Beach or one of these rich, horrible places. And he goes out there, falls in love with a girl who just got out of a relationship with some, blonde guy. And they're all on the beach, just having a party. Got the boombox there. It was the 80s. You could drink beer and make a fire on a beach and listen to REO Speedwagon on a boombox. And a redneck and all his... He wasn't really a redneck. He was just kind of a preppy boy. A preppy guy and all his friends come riding their dirt bikes down. And they're like, hey, man. You can dance if you want to. You can leave your friends behind. Or whatever. 80s fight they were having. And Daniel LaRusso ends up throwing the first punch. People forget that. Just punches this strange kid in the face. Sucker punches him. And then later on, his karate teacher would just really abuse and assault these children. And then I think there's a karate tournament at some point. And the bad coach is like, sweep the leg. Why don't you break his leg if you can? And the blonde kid was all, no, coach, I don't want to do that. I have new respect for him. He's my friend now. It's like, sweep the leg or I'll beat you. It's okay. Old Daniel did that, what was that pose he did? Oh, the arms out. The crane! The crane pose. He puts his arms up or something and kicks him. He won the tournament. You're the best around. Nothing's ever gonna keep you down. You're the best around. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha. Hey, everybody. What do you think, sweetie? What do you think about what? I don't know. Do you want to get up here? Alrighty. Do you want to take a phone call? A phone call? I could. What line? Line 2. Line 2. Caller. Welcome to the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. You're on the air. Hey, Nanaboozhoo. Well, hey. It's, what's his name? Keanu Reeves. Keanu Reeves. How you doing? I'm all right. Actually, I'm excellent, dude. Remember that time I was in that movie? Yeah, you mean Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure? Yeah, that's all right. That was a gnarly movie. Oh, it was gnarly, dude. Did you like that movie? I never saw it. Oh, but did you like my other movies? The ones where I played John Wick? Oh, yeah, John Wick. I never saw those movies either. Oh, but you must have liked The Matrix. I saw The Matrix. At least I saw the first one. I think I saw part of the second one. I think I was someplace where the movie was on, and we were talking and like drinking beer or something. So I was kind of aware of it, but I'll be honest with you, Keanu. I always got so lost in those movies. I never knew what was going on. That's the Matrix, man. You take the red pill, and you wake up and you see reality for what it is. Or you take the blue pill, and you go back into dream world. And that's what your dreary life is like. You're in the blue pill world, man. I am? That's right. You don't even know it. You live in an illusion. I bet you think we live on a spinning globe. No, actually, I don't believe that anymore. I took the red pill. I woke up. I realized that we were being lied to about the shape of the earth. All right. That's excellent. Yeah, I've known that the world is flat with a dome over it for years. Yeah, good for you. That's right. I took the red pill, man. I took the red pill from a black guy. Okay. You can take the red pill or you can take the blue pill. Yeah. Aren't there any other options? You can take the purple pill. What's the purple pill? Well, that's somewhere in the middle. Wow. So what can I do for you today? Hey, Nanaboozhoo, have you seen my girlfriend? No. Yeah, she's she's a gray-haired lady. She's a great artist. And I think it's pretty cool. I don't even care what she looks like. You don't care what your girlfriend looks like? No, man. I like her because she's an artist. I think that's pretty cool. Don't you think that's cool of me? Well, I don't know. I don't care. No, it's really cool. Lots of times people are like, oh, no, she's old and gray. Nobody's going to want to date her because she's old and she's gone through that thing. What thing? Where old ladies, they can't have babies anymore. Oh, yeah. What's that called, sweetie? It's menopause. Menopause. They should call it womanopause. Yeah. Because that's when they pause in their ability to get pregnant. Yeah, has she gone through menopause? I don't know, man. I ain't gonna ask her that. It's personal. Oh, yeah, I suppose. But she is pretty old. She probably has, huh? Yeah, I would imagine. I don't know. Well, I think it's pretty cool, Lots of times, guys in my shoes, I could be dating models. I could be dating models in their 20s. I'm a millionaire. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so good for you. As long as you're happy, that's all that matters. What's that? I said as long as you're happy. Well, I don't know if I'm happy. You're not happy? No, man, I'm just good. I'm a good person. Does that make you happy? Yeah, I guess. Okay. Geeman Wyndham, Anna? Huh? Geeman Wyndham, Anna? Are you happy? You happy? No, man. Kind of bummed if I'm being honest with you. Why? What's the matter? I just realized something. What? I'm married to an old lady. I know, kid. No, are you actually married or are you guys just dating? I don't even know anymore, dude. But my girlfriend or whatever she is, she got gray hair. Yeah. Well, she's your age. She doesn't put in hair dye like some fancy boys. Yeah, but come on, gross. Why am I dating an old lady? I'm Keanu Reeves, man. I could be dating anybody. Maybe not anybody. Anybody who would marry you just for your money, but I mean, there are a lot of people who be like, no, I don't know. Would you go with Keanu Reeves? If I wasn't dating you? Yeah, if I wasn't in the picture? No. Why not? I don't know, he's weird. I think he might be transgender. Are you transgender, Keanu? No way, dude. I'm all man. Come on, dude. All right. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Yeah, of course not. But I heard that both of the directors of The Matrix, they were brothers, and they both transitioned to transgendered women. Did you hear that, sweetie? Yeah, it's insane. I mean, like, what's in the drinking water on the set there? So some people have speculated that you, in fact, might have been a secret lifelong, like you were born female, and that beard is just, injections of, facial hair, whatever the Frankenstein science they have in Hollywood now. Nope, I can assure you, dude. I was a boy, and now I'm a man. And now I'm a man who's dating an old lady. Yep, you sure are. And you're a Hollywood actor. You still got that going for you. Yeah, dude. You gonna watch my movie? Probably not, dude. Oh, come on, come watch my movie. They're all so long. Why do they make movies 3 hours long now? I know. I always fall asleep when I'm watching one of those movies. Even your own movies? Yeah, I can't stay awake through an entire Matrix movie, man. It's exhausting. Yeah, it is. I don't know what happens, but I get tired. By the time I get into the final act, you can kind of feel when it's like, okay, here we go. Here's the big ending of a Hollywood movie. I'm like, oh, thank goodness. What is okay? Probably 20 minutes more for you to go on a killing spree or whatever. Oh, so you have seen John Wick? Okay, I've seen scenes from John Wick. I mean, you make Alec Baldwin look, peaceful. Yeah, that was pretty funny. Alec Baldwin kills somebody. It's not funny. It's tragedy. Oh, come on. It's kind of funny. I didn't know that girl. All right, it's kind of funny. Anyway, I better get going, man. All right, dude. Hey, how do you say that? I'll see you again. We say, Gigawabamin. Minawa. Oh, gnarly, dude. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Yep. I'll see you later, Keanu. Keanu Reeves, baby. Yep. He sure is a character. Yeah. Felt kind of bad having to admit it. Haven't seen any of his movies. I'm just kind of aware of who he is, but I don't know. I don't go to movies anymore. You know. Like, I think the last thing I really saw him in was a 80s movie called Parenthood, I think. I don't know about this. That's why we can't really do a celebrity show. I don't know enough. I'm too old. Out of touch. Wally Bear, why the late show today? Waited on the shuttle all the way home. Okay, Wally Bear, don't you pile on too. You know why? Because we're indigenous time. You know, because I'm not being colonized. Thank you. You can't tie us down to your white man's ways. There's actually no reason why we didn't start. I'm sorry. I want to start at 8 o'clock every day. I want to feel like, oh yeah, 8 o'clock is when the show starts. But something weird's been happening. I don't know if I've become so addicted to coffee that I fall asleep so easy. This is something boring to talk about. 9:30, Bagheera's outside here. He starts crying. He's ready for bed. We have a whole routine. I brush my teeth. Crawl into bed. And Bagheera comes in. And I sleep for 3 hours. I wake up, wide awake, well rested. I know I can't go back to sleep. Get up, take a pee, have a cup of coffee, eventually have breakfast, watch YouTube videos, think I'm going to set up for the show. I'm thinking, oh, this will be good. It's 2 a.m. It'll be a good time. We could record a commercial or something, maybe a song, But I don't do that. I just sit around, and then I go back to bed. And then I wake up at like 7:30, and I go, oh, well, I got to have some coffee before and I got to go through the whole morning thing. And so I got no good excuse. I'm just a slacker with no real boss. And, well, you better. I'm sorry, man. You're not kidding, are you? No. It takes a big man to admit when he's wrong, Wally Bear. And I am that big man. I want to say I'm sorry. I was way out of line. I hope you can forgive me. Oh, yeah, all this talk. Oh, ha, Nanaboozhoo. Oh, I'm on Indian time. That's no excuse. What I did was, what's the word? Unforgivable. Unforgivable. Irrepressible. Irrepressible. Irrepressible? Is that a word? I don't know. Once I said it, I didn't think so. Irrepressible. Irrefutable. No, that means you can't disprove it. It's irregardless. Irregardless. I don't think that's a word either. How come I can't speak English anymore? I don't know. Oh, this is one thing I should warn the kids about. Hey kids, welcome to the Ojibwe language podcast. I'm going to learn some Ojibwe words. That'd be great, right? But for every Ojibwe word you learn, you forget one English word. That's how it works. You can only know one language at a time. For every Ojibwe word you learn, you forget one English word. So just beware. Because what's the word we're thinking of? Irrefutable, irregardless. It is when you can't forgive something. It is irreputable. Yep, see, I don't know. Yep, I forgot that word. La, la, la. Jessica says, well, you can do that anytime on Facebook. The Boozhoo crews is talking about me being late. Wally Bear says, love a woman that can handle guns. Yeah, how about the woman who Alec Baldwin killed? She could handle guns, she just couldn't handle a bullet. Are you trying to come up with jokes about that lady? Yeah. It's going to happen. I want to be the first. I still love you, Nanaboozhoo, says Wally Bear. Oh, thank you. I love you right back. Kizakain, Wally Bear. Hey, don't you be falling in love with Wally Bear. I still love you. I really love you, baby. You want to get up there, sweetie? Sure. You want to play a song first? Yeah, okay. What's the song today? Oh, this is a song you sing. Which one is it? I can't make you love me if you don't. Yeah. We were talking about this the other day when I sang the song. And Michael plays the guitar on this. But I don't know the Ojibwe word for it. But there's a great English word called unrequited. Unrequited love. I don't know what I don't know what requited means. But unrequited means when you love somebody, but they don't love you back. And who amongst us hasn't, at some point in their life, pined over somebody? Oh, I love them so much, my heart breaks. Oh, if only that person would be my girlfriend, then I'd be happy, you know. It's called unrequited love. And sometimes you can even be in a relationship with somebody who doesn't even love you. That's how screwed up this world is. This is why young ladies and young men, you know, frankly, nobody tells you this. It's all, you know, ethics that you learn from shows like The Bachelor. Oh, I'm going to sleep with this whole crowd of people, men and women, and pick the one I like having sex with the most and marry them. Next week on The Bachelor. Tune in. You know, we're teaching kids that that's love. It's so gross. But the reality is, you know, you come from a long line of people who've fallen in love and made babies. All the way back. Your mom and your dad, your grandma and your grandpa, your grandma, your great-grandma and great-grandpa, their mom and dad, their grandma, you know, all the way back. You hope. But it's really tough sometimes for people to get together. And it makes things worse when you just jump into bed right away. But when you say, so sometimes, like in this song, it's about a lady who in a relationship with a guy, and, you know, just, you know, snagged up with him right away. You know, because she got no self-dignity. She got no piety. You know. You can't can't slut shame her. So she hooks up with this guy, but he don't love her. He's just using her. And so it's the night before she's going to finally dump him. And she says, turn out the lights, but turn down the bed. Turn down these voices in my head. Oh, she's also a schizophrenic. She hears voices in her head? Yep. Turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me. Tell me no lies. Really, lady? You want him to be honest with you? You want him to say, okay, I'm only sleeping with you because, you know, I want people to think I'm a good guy. I'm Keanu Reeves and you're a gray-haired lady. And it'll make headline news if they see us together. And I don't even like girls because I am a girl. Pretend to be a guy. You know. But anyway, tell me no lies. Just hold me closely. And don't patronize me. Don't patronize, I guess, is the rhyme. Don't patronize me. Because then she says, I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. But here in the dark, in these final hours, she's going to kill him, I guess. Yeah. She's going to lay down her heart. And she's going to feel the power that dude doesn't. And he won't. Because she can't make him love her if he don't. And miigwech bisan dawiyeg. Thank you for listening. Up next, the lovely and talented Natasha. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Menawa. Want to teleport, baby doll? Make it so. Oh, what? Ta-da! Thank you, baby. What are you doing? Oh, nothing. I gotta tape up this wire. The one we always gotta jiggle just for it to work. Yeah, I don't know. I get nervous every time I teleport you because this thing is so old. Well, yeah, I mean, it has a lot of miles on it, but so far, so good. Hey, everybody, what's going on? So good to see you. Natasha Nindisha Nakas. For anybody new to the show, my name is Natasha. And, yeah, So great to be here. Let's say hello to Wally Bear, Boozhoo, and Jessica, Blueberry Pie. Oh, you guys talking about Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwajigan Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwajigan. And I wanted a piece of blueberry pie. So I went up and I asked this guy. He only spoke Ojibwe. So I had to say, Minabashki Minasagani Batusi Chikani Bakwaji gone. La la ha. That really is a good way to learn words, though. I mean, singing them. Yeah. I've learned so many words. You know, mushkawazi, mushkawazi. Baby, can't you hear my mushkawazi? Means power. What was another one of those? Oh, there's the Sage and Smudge song. Oh yeah, wait, how's that go? Bushka, what is it? Nukwajigan. Bushkawazi, Mushkawazi. No, I don't remember the song for Sage. Nukwajigan. Yeah, I don't remember it either. How about Gimmick Wayne Day na Chuck hearts melting on a playground wall. Gimmick Wayne Day na Stone escapes from moonwash college halls. Gimmick Wayne Day na Gimmick Wayne Day na is do you remember? Do you remember? Gimmick Wayne Day na. You're asking me, will our love grow? Going in cocaine, Dunzine. Going in cocaine, Dunzine. I don't know. Going in cocaine, Dunzine. Oh, and of course there's, I was singing Neiman Wyndham, G-A-I-N, oh my noon boom. Neiman Wyndham. Wow. But anyway, enough of that singing nonsense. What else is going on down here? Love it is using Star Trek quotes. That's right. In this house, this is a next generation home. I mean, yeah, hats off. Much respect for the original Star Trek. But when you really watch those old... Plus, I don't like William Shatner anymore. You don't? Why not? Because he's a lying Freemason who pretends to go up to outer space. But also, when you watch those old Star Treks, Shatner is such a bad actor. Wow, is he the worst? Like if you saw him in a play, you'd be like, dude, what are you doing? Why can't you act like a... Just be normal. Acting. You gotta pretend. But he was like so over the top. It's like, Mr. Spock, I think I'm losing my mind. Or whatever it is. Let's get out of here. He was just so unbelievable. Just the worst. You couldn't believe him being afraid, being sad, being angry, going insane. All these things he had to pretend to be on the TV show. He was the worst actor there ever was. And then, don't get me started on his singing. Remember when he... What was that? Talk sang? Rocket Man? Oh yeah, that was the worst. Did you guys ever see that where William Shatner? She packed my bags last night. 0 hour. 9 a.m. Because that's how he acts. My name is William Shatner. The 5-year mission. You know who else is like that? Who's that? Barack Obama. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Barack Obama. I can't do a Barack Obama impersonation. I'm not very good at impersonations. You're good at impersonations. I don't know why you say that. Well, I can do a couple. Can you do me? Well, yeah, I can do you. Okay, hey, Boozhoo, and welcome back to the show. Nah, just kidding. That sounded just like me, sweetie. Do you really think so? Yeah. I don't know. But, let's see. Daniel Black says, Wally Bear is spreading the love. Can you feel the love tonight? This morning. We are left with a load of treats from Halloween. I haven't munched any. Good for you. I threw away that bag of those disgusting... What is that stuff called? Oh, the butter... What is that stuff? It's the chocolate... I used to know what it was. No, we bought a whole bag of it. It's so gross. I threw it away. Butterfinger. Yeah, Butterfinger. Ugh. What is a Butterfinger? I know, I recognize the chocolate. I used to eat them as a kid. Didn't think of anything of it. Have you guys had a Butterfinger candy bar the last 10 years? It's so gross. There's some thick kind of orange wood. Like, just edible. And it just sticks in your teeth. And it feels like some kind of mutant sugar. I don't know. Yeah, we didn't get any trick-or-treaters. Because I think the neighborhood kids figured out we're the weirdos. To avoid this house, I think. And then, so I had that whole bag and I'd eaten like 4 or 5 of them. Because you can't not eat candy. There's something about sugar. It's like a drug. So I finally just threw it away. I was like, what is this crap? It's gonna give me whatever, cavities. Yeah. Anyway, so how are you guys doing? Jessica says, what? All right. I'm not a sweet tooth, but throwing out Butterfingers is just wrong. I know. But, you don't. I throw away a lot of, like, cookies. I keep buying sugar and stuff, and then I have a change of heart after I've eaten half the bag of something. Because I'm not grown up enough to say, well, I'm going to have a salad and maybe some fish, and then for dessert, I'll have a piece of pie, No, if I have sugar in the house, that becomes my dinner. Whatever it is. I don't care if it's cookies, Snickers bars, Butterfingers. We just basically skipped supper and ate Butterfingers. That's why we were up at 2 a.m, by the way. Oh, you think I was just hungry? Yeah, of course. You have this weird schedule now where you're taking 2 3-hour naps every afternoon with Bagheera. But, yeah, so I don't have the self-control not to throw away candy. But then I also don't have the self-control not to buy it. I'm constantly buying candy, cookies, muffins, whatever. Eating some of it and then throwing it away. Oh, you know what else? What's that? I'm going to throw away that frosting. Yeah, you might as well. I don't know. For some reason, I thought it was a good idea to buy a whole thing of frosting and some graham crackers like when I was a little girl. Oh, that'll be a good treat. I'm going to put chocolate frosting on graham crackers and watch cartoons. Because then I'll be happy like when I was a child. Well, I ate up half that jar in one sitting and went, oh my goodness, I'm going to eat this whole... How many calories is in the whole can of frosting? Frosting is meant for an entire, wedding cake. I was just going to eat, just feed my fat face. Yeah. So I'm going to throw that away too. What have we learned today, kids? Nanaboozhoo and I have pretty serious addiction issues to sugar, and apparently anorexia. I've never made myself throw up. No, that's not true. When I used to drink, sure, but I was never anorexic. But I was always sort of preoccupied with my belly. I never wanted to get fat. Well, so I wrestled with cookies and that. Wally Bears like Score candy bars. Yeah, I like those too. I think those are like Scandinavian candy bars because they spell score with a K. Score. La la la, Sagame, Boozhoo Sagame. Sagame says, I love Butterfield. Makes good Dairy Queen too. Oh yeah, I know. Little Butterfingers and a blizzard. Forget it. But nothing good can happen. Ice cream is the worst because it's the best. You do get high. Ice cream, like a blizzard, will wake you up, make you happy, give you more energy and joy for about 10 minutes. And then you crash. It's a sticky mess. You get fat and depressed. It is like drugs, man. I don't know, baby doll. Hey, do you want to do me a favor? What's that? I want to go outside and put a little tobacco. Okay. I'm going to step outside for a second, you guys. All right. Let's see. I'm going to lock on your coordinates. I put some electric tape on that wire. I'm going to see if that helps. Okay. And when I put you out by the birch trees. Okay. When to teleport, please. Wait, no, I say that. When to teleport. All right. Make it so. Energize. We got to work on this. I know. It's all clumsy. Okay. It's not working. Okay, pull on, wiggle the wire. Wiggle the wire. As you push the button. Wiggle the wire as I push and hold down the button. Oh, there we go. Hey, that old teleporter, you never know if it's going to work or not. So here we are, dog walking out in the fall. Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, putting out a same tobacco to get your mana do. I'm just praying to the Great Spirit. Boozhoo, get your mana do. O tapanani, we a same except my tobacco. Yeah, yeah. Boozhoo, get your mana do. Hello, Great Spirit. Daka, o tapanani, we a same. Please, accept my tobacco. Daka, we do wishin. Midway, noon goom. Please help me to speak well today. Miigwech. Wow. Mino Bamadaziyan. Thank you for this good life. Miigwech. Gaiji Webak. Thank you for the weather. Miigwech. Gaiji Boozhoo crew. Thank you for the Boozhoo crew. Thank you for the show. Thank you for my health. Thank you for Nanaboozhoo and Michael Lyons. Thank you for the path I've taken getting here. Even the hard times, even the boring times, even the embarrassing times, all those times now serve as a time where I can look back and compare and go, oh, things are so much better than they used to be. And they really are. I'm so grateful. Miigwech and them. Thank you for making everything so much better than they used to be. Whether it's the fact I don't have to work at a job that I hate. The fact that we can pay our rent today. Miigwech for the Junia. Miigwech Gaiji Junia. Thank you for my money. Got my money on my mind and my mind on my money. But, every month we just squeak by pretty casually. Not rich. But I can't call myself poor anymore if I can always buy. If I have enough money to buy candy and throw it away and then go right back to the store the next day and buy some more. Thank you so much for taking care of us. You know, we always have enough to eat. We got this sweet, well, I'm out in the woods right now, but there's a sweet house, you know, not far from here. You know, we can walk to country kitchen, have some coffee and breakfast. Thank you for the pickup. Keeps running. Thank you for keeping Bagheera healthy. You know, I know what it's like to have a sick cat, and I don't want to go through that right now. So thank you for Bagheera's health, and thank you for, you know, helping us figure out how to live together in a good way. You know, when Bagheera first came to us, you know, he was kind of a spaz. You know, he cried a lot. But now he's really settled in nicely. Thank you for helping me recover from my grief, from all the people who have died. You know, I don't know why I'm laughing, but thank you for giving me so many people in my life that, I mean, yeah, it hurts when people die. And I miss a lot of people. But I'm lucky that I had somebody that I cared enough about to miss when they die. Well, and thank you for helping me, you know, get through it. Grief, death, and all that's just like the hardest thing in the world. It's harder than sickness, and that sucks, you know. But thank you for getting me through my Lyme's disease. Thank you for, you know, keeping me out of trouble. And thank you for all the inspiration, you know. Over the years, there's just so much in my life that I've been able to share. Not just my life and, you know, the stories of my life. That doesn't matter, but, you know, I got to share. Well, at least Michael got to share his drawings and his songs. And I get to share my singing. And, you know, my thoughts too. So, I don't know. Miigwech for everything. And I pray, if it's of your will, GOFUNDME, that you'll continue to protect me and provide for me. And you'll continue to show me the path. The red road! You know, help me to stay on the red road. Because I'm learning that, you know. Once you figure out the red road, it's actually the road you want to be on anyway. It's who you really are. It's what you're really supposed to do. And everything works out if you're on the red road. So, miigwech for putting me on the red road. Miigwech besundawie GOFUNDME. Thank you for listening. Ape inge. Oh, you're more than welcome, my daughter. Well, hi, GOFUNDME. Ladies and gentlemen, GOFUNDME. Hello, Boozhoo crew. How you doing? Oh, I'm doing fantastic. How are you, my daughter? Not too bad. We came on kind of late today. I think I made Nanaboozhoo crabby. You know, he gets crabby all the time. That's just in his nature, my daughter. Yeah. But you're okay? Oh, I'm doing great. You know, these prayers, the more I pray, the more grateful I get. It's ridiculous. So thanks for that. Oh, you know me, daughter. All you have to do is ask. I'm your creator. You think I don't want to help you out? I'm happy. You just need to pray to me. Put out that tobacco if you like, you know, but don't forget to pray to your Father who art in heaven. Okay. So, yeah. Anyway, I should probably go back. All right, me daughter. I will see you again. Giga wapamin. Minawa. You mean Giga wabamin? What did I say? You said wapamin. Okay, I meant Giga wabamin. Minawa. Okay, Giga wapamin. Minawa. GOFUNDME. Ladies and gentlemen, the Great Spirit. All right. Bloop. Okay, Boozhoo. Hi, Nanaboozhoo. Well, hey, sweetheart. Did you want me to pick you up? Yeah, would you mind? Not at all. Okay, scanning for your coordinates. 1 to teleport home. All right, make it so. God, it's not working again. I'm pulling on the thing. Try tapping it. Tapping it. Let me try smacking it real hard. Oh, what if I... There you go. How you doing? Oh, great. One of these days, that's just not going to work again. I know. And that'll be it for me. But it's just so much more convenient than having to walk all the way outside and walk all the way back in. I know. I mean, how did we ever live without a teleporter before? I know. It's primitive. Anyway, well, you guys. Library says, gosh dang, Vikings got beat up by the Dallas Cowgirls. Cowgirls. No. Yeah. Well, I guess that's about all the time we have for today, honey. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I would like to say miigwech for the memories. La 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 la. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. You're quoting, what's his name again? Lawrence Welk. Yeah. Miigwech, peace and love. Thank you for listening. And miigwech, gonna wubby egg. Thank you for watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This over here, this cool drink of water. Hey, get out of here. It's Nanaboozhoo. Say goodbye, Nanaboozhoo. Yigawabba-min, Minawa. I will see you again. Oh, right, we don't say goodbye. And, over here is the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. And, yeah, and I will see you again. Yigawabba-min, Minawa. Oh, baby doll, one last time. All right, teleporting. Make it so.